सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 122, 12th chapter, first verse. प्रकाशस्थं यथा देहं सालोकमभिमन्यते द्रष्टाभासं तथा चित्तम् द्रष्टाहमिति मन्यते. Shankaracharya introducing the important topic, that is, Atma is the illuminator of everything independently. To understand my Atman nature, he is introducing a method, a technical method, very, very important for every Vedantic seeker. This analysis of I, whenever a person uses the word I, everyone use the word I am. I and am, two words we are using. Am, I, we don't say. I am only we say. Even he is not going to the second word, only I he is analyzing. I means not E-Y-E, I. Kannu, illa, I anna. Here I means non, main, Hindi mein, मैं हूँ. So I am. Tamil non, in Telugu nenu అని சொல்லுவான். That I, that is a mixture of Atma and Ahankara. It is a mixture. May you understand, may you all understand, it is a mixture. For that, Acharya giving an example. Acharyas are all using the example for the easy understanding. For the sake of understanding easily, examples are given. So, Prakasha, the light example, Aloka example, when you see, when you look at the clip, it is luminous because of light. There are two, when you get the clip experience, every experience, there are two components. One is what you are experiencing, the object, clip. Because of what you are experiencing, that is light. But we never remember, because of what we are seeing this, we never notice. We are not showing any attention towards that. But which is very, very important. But we are just ignoring. Better not to ignore. May you remember that when I experience any object, I experience both the light which is illumining the object and the object I am knowing. Because no object has got self-illumination. Either pot or clip or any object in this world. Don't say min puchi. It has got self-illumination. Only self-luminous on the top, not the body. Whole body is not self-luminous. These people who are going under mines, they also keep the headlight here. Can you call all of them self-luminous? It is artificial light. Now this luminous, one is self-luminous, another is non-self-luminous. This non-self-luminous is luminous because of the self-evident luminous one. All these words, do you remember? Only 1 week gap I given. Light is non-self, it is self-luminous, independently luminous it is. It is not illumined by anything. But clip is illumined. Clip is illumined by the light. Therefore it is not self-luminous, it is not self-evident. Self-luminous is that which makes that non-self-luminous objects as evident. Similarly, when we say I, that word, there are two components. One is Atma. In the place of light we have to put Atma. Example, light, Prakasham. Darshtanta, Atma. Atma plus Atma is self-luminous, illumining the mind. Which mind? A mind which is not self-luminous. It is depending upon the Atma for its illumination. Mind with consciousness gets the name Ahankara. In the last class I said, Ahankara is nothing but mind which is associated with consciousness. This Ahankara is non-self-luminous. That means mind is non-self-luminous. It cannot illumine itself. It is known by the consciousness. Consciousness is, or Atma is self-evident because it is self-luminous. It is self-luminous, therefore it is self-evident. Since it is self-luminous, it can illumine the non-self-luminous mind. So non-self-luminous mind, Ahankara, mind plus consciousness put together, the Ahankara it has become, and consciousness is there, put together I. I, that experience of I, that awareness, that experience of I, experience itself can be called as consciousness because in every experience, pratibodha viditam matam, in every experience, in every cognition, in every thought, that consciousness is there. For that I used to give example. I need not give here, but I cannot resist myself. That is my problem. I cannot resist. I want to give that clarity to you. What do you mean by self-evidence? சொல்லும் போது உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிடும். சொல்றதுக்கு முன்னாடியே கூட தெரியும் சில ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு. What do you mean by self-evident? I am self-evident Atma. What do you mean by self-evident? Atma is self-evident. எனக்கு என்ன? Atma is self-luminous, illumining the mind becomes the Ahankara. Nanna irukka kada kekkaradhukku anna. So what? If Atma is self-luminous, self-evident, illumining all non-self-luminous objects, I am getting lot of information. What benefit am I going to get? I don't find any benefit. I will tell you what benefit you are going to get. That self-luminous consciousness or Atma is myself. That self-evident, self-luminous consciousness, Atma is myself. Whenever I say I am, in that I am, consciousness is there. I, consciousness plus mind, Ahankara is there. So I am self-evident. How? How to prove I am self-evident? Whenever somebody comes and asks you, that person is there, this person is there, when they ask, suppose, that Purushottam sir irikara veetla, Purushottam, nalla per vechikalam, Purushottam sir. Wife says, irungo, paathitu solren. I'll go and see whether he is there. He said he will go for walking. But let me see whether he is there or not. She goes inside and sees whether he is there or not. And the Purushottam wife is Pushpalata. Pushpalata. Purushottam wife name is called Pushpalata. Who is this Pushpalata? Purushottam's wife. That person asked, Purushottam is there or not? A friend of Purushottam came and asked. Purushottam wife Pushpalata is there or not? He is asking the Pushpalata. He need not ask. Suppose he is asking that Pushpalata will go inside, let me find out Pushpalata is there or not. Will she goes inside? Is it necessary for her to go and search for Pushpalata? Suppose somebody is coming house, Pushpalata is there or not? Pushpalata is coming out. Pushpalata is coming out. Who? Purushottam's wife. The Pushpalata friend has come now. Pushpalata is there? No. Pushpalata has come. Then this friend, that Pushpalata's friend, when she is asking Pushpalata is there, Pushpalata has come, Pushpalata will not wait to find out the Pushpalata. Pushpalata na lady name, okay. Pushpalata lady need not search for Pushpalata. Whether she is there or not, please wait, I will tell you. She will not wait even for seconds. Even for seconds. Why? She is Pushpalata. She is evident to herself or not? Pushpalata is evident to Pushpalata or not? Purushottam is evident for Purushottam or not? Evident. For Pushpalata, Purushottam may not be evident, but for Purushottam, Pushpalata may not be evident. For Pushpalata, Purushottam may not be evident. But for Purushottam, Purushottam is evident. For Pushpalata, Pushpalata is evident. Now, apply that to your name. I have given different name. No student is Pushpalata. My students are not there. That's why I didn't take anyone's name. If I take anyone's name, you will be carried away by that name. இன்னும் புதுசா வந்திருக்கு புருஷோத்தமன் இருக்கார் ஒருத்தர். But whenever somebody calls your name, you never doubt your existence. You never doubt your presence. You never have, you never take even single minute or second, fraction of seconds to think whether I am there or not. Immediately you say, yes, I am here. That is called self-evidence. Where you are evident to yourself, other than you, everything is required verification, whether there or not. But your existence, whether you are there or not, you don't require any verification. This is the example for self-evidence. Then you are evident to yourself. Since I said Atma is self-evident, then who am I? I am Atma only. Since Atma is self-evident, I am self-evident to myself. Therefore, I am Atma. Now, who is Atma? Tell me. Naneda. Enakku nan self-evident. Atma self-evident. Its nature is self-evidence. Since I am evident to myself, I must be Atma. In the I-la enna I. Adida mukhyam. In the I-la, self-luminous consciousness I or ahankara, drik, drishya drik. Atma is drashta, mind is drishya drik. Atma is drashta, mind is drishya drik. Mixture I. When I am self-evident, when I say I am Atma, A is equal to B, B is equal to C, therefore A is equal to C. Atma is self-evident. I am self-evident to myself. Therefore, I am Atma. A is equal to B. Atma is self-evident. I am self-evident. B is equal to C. I am self-evident. Atma is self-evident. Self-evident we have written. B is equal to C. I am self-evident. What is common in A is equal to B and B is equal to C law? What is common? Self-evident. Therefore, I am self-evident. Who is this I? Atma. Atma is self-evident. I am self-evident. அங்க ஆத்மா இங்க ஐ ஆம். இப்போ A is equal to C ல என்ன எழுதணும்? ஆத்மா I am. ஆத்மா I am or I am ஆத்மா. புரியறதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். So this Atma is ever the illuminator, never the illumined. Since it is self-evident, it is ever the sentient principle. It is never the illumined, ever the drashta, never the drishyam. Whereas the world is ever the drishyam, never the drashta. In the sandwich mind irukku illiyo middle, drishya drik, drashta bhasam, abhasa drashta. From the standpoint borrowing the sentiency from the consciousness, this mind becomes sentient and gets the drashta status and illumines the world. Like moon. Originally moon doesn't have light. Borrows light from the sun and illumines the earth, getting the name moonlight. Ahankara. Moonlight is equal to Ahankara. Ahankara doesn't have independent sentiency, illumination. It has borrowed the illumination from the Atma and illumines the world, means making the world to illumine, makes the world to illumine, appear, manifest. So, Ahankara is drashtabhasam. Or drik drishyam, drishya drik. Up to here we saw in the last class, the first shloka, people do not know that a person when he is appearing, when you see that person so and so, two components you have to remember. Because of light you are seeing that person. Because of light only I am seeing my body. Without light I cannot see. But this person says, I am aloka sahitaha. Look into the sloka. Prakashastham yatha deham. Deham prakashastham. The body is illumined. Body is illumined. Illumined means it is available for perception. It is illumined. Salokam abhimanyate. As the body has got its own illumination. Person is walking, coming, running and coming. None of us remember, when I am seeing all of you, when you are sitting here, I am experiencing two. Previously what we think generally? Whom we are seeing? I am seeing her. I am seeing him. Now I have to say what? I am seeing her plus light also. Because her experience, when I see her, it presupposes light experience. Light experience, without light experience, I cannot experience her. Without light experience, I cannot experience him. So, his experience to me presupposes light experience. Clear? So, what am I seeing now? Light plus the person. இப்படி நினைக்கிறோமோ ஞாபகம் இருக்கோ ஞாபகமா தெரியவே தெரியாது சுவாமினி சாலோகம் அபிமன்யத்தை as though he is having his own aloka means light aloka sahitaha salokam abhimanyate. Even my body I cannot see without light, whether Surya's light or tube light. Some light must be there. Without that I cannot see my body. But none of us know, or even after knowing also remember, none of us remember this light. All of us ignore the light. Just like we use specs. How many of remember you are wearing specs? In the வரிசையா specs இருக்கு எல்லாருக்குமே. How many of remember you are seeing through the specs? None of us remembering I am seeing through the specs, because I am taking it as granted. Salokam abhimanyate. Next line you see, drashtabhasam tadha chittam. Tadha chittam drashtabhasam. This mind, what is its name? Drashtabhasam. It becomes drashta, abhasa drashta, fake illuminator. Chittam drashtahamiti manyate. I am drashtabhasam. ஞாபகம் இருக்க வேண்டாமோ? இருக்காது. The mind is thinking, I am the knower of everything. Mind should know. Mind means ahankara should know. How I am knowing? Because of original drashta, original illuminator. I am becoming illuminator because of that. Moon must remember, I am illumining the earth because of the blessing of the sun. Adu madri, in the manas, which is blessed by the consciousness, self-luminous consciousness, making this mind luminous, and became ahankara, and this ahankara is knowing. Now you are all knowing this clip with ahankara. When you are knowing this clip, you must remember what? I know the clip. And when I say I know the clip, if you are a Upadesha Sahasri student, if you understand the last class and present class, you must say what? When I say I am knowing the clip means there are two components. One is ahankara, another one is Atma Chaitanyam. Between these two, one is self-luminous, one is non-self-luminous, one is real, one is unreal, fake. Which one is real, which one is fake? Ahankara is unreal, fake. Atma, the consciousness, is real, original. Which one you want to claim? Atma, which is real and original. But what? Mana story ondi but da epome. But I forget this drashta, original drashta, because of whom this ahankara, drishyadrik, abhasa drashta is alive. But I am taking this abhasa drashta and this illumining this body. I take abhasa drashta real, abhasa drashta illumining body real, abhasa drashta illumining body related daughter is real, abhasa drashta illumining body related son is real. எல்லாமே ரியலோ ரியல். எவ்வளவு அமக்கலம் பண்றோமோ தெரியுமா? அஜ்ஞானம் மூலமா. Because you are holding to abhasa drashta, giving reality, you are giving reality to the body. Since you are giving reality to the body, to the ahankara, you are getting abhimana, mamakara, tadatmyam with all possessions. Since you are holding to the fake ahankara and fake body, fake relations, and your happiness is also fake. Your peace is also fake. That's why your peace is not permanent. Your peace, ananda, is not steady standard. Like 500 rupees note, 1000 rupee note. Now it is a fake note. So many fake notes are coming to the bank now. All fake notes. Now what is the revolution in our country going on? All fake notes we want to destroy. Upadesha Sahasri class doing what? What revolution? Fake ahankara. Fake ahankara caused body mamakara. Fake ahankara caused body mamakara, all other mamakaras to be falsified, to be banned, to be banned, to be abolished. அங்க அபாலிஷ் பண்ண யூஸ் பண்ண முடியாது, இங்க அபாலிஷ் பண்ணி யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். அதுதான் அட்வான்டேஜ். யூ அபாலிஷ், யூ abandon, you ban this fake understanding, fake as fake. Body mind complex is only 5 elements conglomeration, assemblage. Then why you give reality? Adida aghatita ghatana patiyasi maya, maya devi, maya mohini. புரியுறதா? அதுல வந்து வெளியில வரணும். அதுக்காக தான் இந்த சாப்டரே, whole chapter. Now we'll go to the next shloka, verse number 2. Yadeva drishyate loke tena bhinnatvam atmanah prapadyate tato mudhah tenatmanam na vindati. In this second shloka, Acharya elaborating the subject matter, yadeva drishyate loke, whatever object is experienced in the world. Loke, in this world, drishyate, experienced. Yadeva, whatever is experienced in this world. Tena abhinnatvam atmanaha. Tena abhinnatvam means oneness or sameness. One is identical with that object. Atmanaha abhinnatvam means it is non-different from me. It is non-different from me. Tena means because of the identification with drashtabhasam. In the first shloka he said, he identifies with drashtabhasam and says that I am, which is unreal really. He takes it as real. Tena means because of identification with drashtabhasam. Tena abhinnatvam atmanaha. It is one with me. Ahankara is different from me or one with me. Mind has got the name Ahankara. I have illumined the mind. Illuminator is different from the illumined. Light is illumining the clip. Light is different, clip is different. Illuminator is always different from illumined object. Consciousness is the illuminator of the mind. Mind is illumined. That means consciousness is Atma. Atma is different from the illumined mind or not? It is different. This mind is illumined and got the name Ahankara, and person taking this Ahankara as oneself. That means what? The illuminator consciousness, awareness, having illumined, having formed the Ahankara, forgotten that I am consciousness, I am illumining the mind because of ignorance, and taken that Ahankara as oneself. Tad abhinnatvena. என்ன சொல்லணும்? I am playing ahankara role now to play my husband role, family role I have to play here. That's why this ahankara is playing. I am originally consciousness. I am self-luminous, self-evident consciousness. But now my daughter has come. Therefore I have invoked my ahankara. I have blessed the mind and became ahankara. Then I am playing the role. இப்போ நான் வேஷம் போட்டுக்கிட்டேன். என்ன வேஷம்? அம்மா வேஷம். ஆனால் அந்த அம்மாவுக்கு தெரிய வேண்டாமோ? தெரியணுமா வேண்டாமா? ஒரு ட்ராமா பண்ணும்போது வேஷம் போட்டுட்டான்னா that character, the one who is playing that character remembers that character I am playing or not. He remembers the money also, how much going to come afterwards, check the amount. He remembers while playing the character. Yeah, he knows that 3 hours show this is. I am until the shooting going on. Cinema actor also, until the shooting onwards, makeup nalla thalaiya potittu thikka. I am putting makeup. I am playing a role. Afterwards, I am removing this makeup. ஞாபகம் இருக்குமா இருக்காதா? நமக்கே இருக்க மாட்டேங்கிறது. While I am playing mother role, father role, brother role, sister role, husband role, mother-in-law role, father-in-law role, brother-in-law role, ella role. Why we are rolling with the roles? Why we are rolling with the roles? I am not asking. Shankaracharya asking. Why people are rolling with the roles? Better remember when you are playing the role that you are playing the role. We are not asking to come out of the role. Drama nadakatame nanna. Let the drama continue. Drama is going on nicely. I am enjoying. Why to stop with the drama? If the drama is going on that time also, the heroine knows both of them are acting. Adu madri, when you are playing your role as a brother, father, mother, grandfather sollalello, grandfather, grandmother role also when you are playing, you remember and play. Why can't we play? But unfortunately we forget. If you remember you are playing, you are a gnani. If you don't remember, you are a agnani. If you remember, you are wise. If you don't remember, you are otherwise. If you are otherwise, you are loose in ardham. Otherwise, people are always loose. Koncham loose in ardham. Ajnana irundale loose in ardham. சொல்றது கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருக்கு இல்ல? கேட்கறது கஷ்டமா இருக்கு, சொல்றது கஷ்டம் இல்ல. சொல்றதுக்கு கஷ்டமே இல்லை, கேட்கறதுக்கு கஷ்டமா இருக்கு. Now tell me, is it wrong to say otherwise person is loose person? சொல்றது தப்பா? தப்பே இல்லை. And shouting, scolding, raga, dvesha, asuya, எவ்வளவு டிராமா நடக்கிறது. நல்ல டிராமா பண்ணுங்கோ. ஆனாலும் if you are a wise person, the drama will not become a tragedy. The life drama will not be a tragedy. It is a sport. You are a beautiful player of your character. Gnani is the one who is playing his role beautifully, attractively. But தெரியாதே, யாருக்குமே தெரியாதே. யாருக்கு தெரிய வேண்டிய அவசியம் இல்லை, அவனுக்கு தெரியும். So actor knows how nicely he is acting. Whether people like it or not, it is not his problem. The actor, a best actor, knows how to act very nicely. There are always people, they praise also some people they don't praise. Just like now our Prime Minister playing the role. Black buster anu potirukkaru. No, he is one who is attacking the black money now. He is playing his role in a wonderful manner, excellent manner, some people say. Some people say, no, we are all facing problems. It is their problem. It is not Prime Minister's problem. He is the one who is playing the role, how to play, what to play, when to announce, when not to announce, how to announce after 8 o'clock, before 8 o'clock. He knows when to announce. Who are you to judge? He is playing his role. அது மாதிரி நம்ம கூட ப்ளே பண்ணும்போது ரோல், there are people, some people like, some people don't like, it doesn't matter. But if I know that I am original consciousness and I am not ahankara, with this ahankara I manage to do in a better way as much as possible. If you know this ahankara and self-luminous consciousness mixture, and you can do, or you can lead your life in a better way without any problem, sorrow or any limitations. Wonderful life. Life is a sport, life is a game, life is an entertainment. Now life is entertainment, comedy or tragedy, it is in your hands. Okay. Yadeva drishyate loke tena abhinnatvam atmanah. It is non-different from me, he sees everything. Tena abhinnatvam means identify with ahankara. Then prapadyate tato moodaha. Moodaha tataha. Therefore, because of that intimacy, tataha moodaha, the unintelligent person who do not know that I am Atma, who do not know that, moodaha prapadyate, he will take himself as, consider himself as Atma. Prapadyate means it is his knowledge, it is his understanding. What understanding? Wrong understanding. Tataha moodaha prapadyate. But he cannot get atmanam na vindati. Tena, by that person, atmanam na vindati. He cannot, because of that identification, he can never claim that I am Atma. Why? Because of identification with ahankara. And ahankara is real. All this happens because of what? Not attending Upadesa Sahasri. Avladha simple. Not coming to Vedanta class, not studying Vedanta, not understanding this who am I. All people are living unintelligently with ignorance. இதெல்லாம் சொன்னா கூட புரியாது அவங்களுக்கு. They cannot understand what to do. That's why when you come to Shastra only, you understand who you are. Now you understand who you are. Who you are. I am staying in Mailapur, Swamini, West Mambalam. I am living in Adayaru, Mailapur. இப்படியெல்லாம் சொல்லுவோம். Ahankara body mind complex is living in Mailapur, Adayaru, Anna Nagar, T Nagar. But the Atma, all pervading in Mailapur, all pervading everywhere. Knowingly, if you act, nothing will harm you, nothing can disturb you. Unknowingly, if you interact with the world, you will get reaction, you will get pain, internal disturbance, mental disturbance, lot of problems. Because of that, blood pressure. Because of that, so many complaints. Dukkamo dukkam. Dukkam veduma vendame. Edhukku dukkam nu solradhu Shastram. Enna sollunga Swamini. Idu matram இந்த அட்டாச்மெண்ட் மாத்திரம் போகாதுன்னு. எதுக்கு அட்டாச்மெண்ட்னா மித்யா வஸ்து. ஆல் ஃபேக் இஸ் ஆல்வேஸ் அட்ராக்டிவ். ஆல் ஃபேக் இஸ் அட்ராக்டிவ். ஏன்னா எது ஃபேக் எது ஒரிஜினல் தெரியாது இல்லையோ. எது ஃபேக் எது ஒரிஜினல் we do not know. Fake notes are, many notes are available nowadays. How many people can recognize the fake 500 rupee note? Tell me. They are having bunches and bunches in their house. They do not know they are all fake. Like that, Ordinary, we, the people, do not know even 500 rupee fake note. What to talk of fake ahankara? How can we know without Guru Shastra? And the Tiridan also, and the thief, if you wear that rolled gold bangles or some rolled gold chain, he do not know that is fake one. In the intelligent or fake chain put it on. And she went out. He pulled that chain. Because he thought it is gold. Because he also do not know what is fake. It is same like gold. In the Maya Mohayani, always everywhere it's going on. So many fake things we are buying. Even provisions also. Ella fake da vandirukku. So always fake is dangerous. Why I want to say bottom line is always fake one is dangerous. Harmful. Now who is our fake one here? Ahankara. Ahankara caused mamakara. Ahankara caused identity with the possessions, family members, body, mind, complex. All this Kada Kadaya, serial meal serial. Non-stop serial, 350th serial going on. In a serial, Marakatam. Some serial is going on. Our life serial, non-ending serial. If you are a wise person, it is not a serious serial. It is an entertainment. If you are otherwise person, serial is serious. So convert your life serial into entertainment. Today onwards, convert. Try. We'll see how much you can convert. Next shloka, number 3. Dashamasya navatmatvam pratipattivadatmanah drishyeshu tadvadevayam Mudho loko na janyatha. Now Acharya is giving an example how one loses that one's own nature, self-luminous consciousness, and taking oneself as ahankara. Because of ahankara identity, they develop dehabhimana, family abhimana, anatma vastu abhimana, how they are developing. Just by example, very familiar example, we know this. Dashamasya nava atmatva pratipatti vat atmanaha. Dashamasya, that 10th man, of that 10th man, you know our 10th man? Our 10th man, Atmanaha, Navamatva Pratipattivat. You know that story. The 10 Sishyas of that one Guru, they were all crossing the river. They want to go to one function where Guru already left and he went there, and he asked all Sishyas, you all come after me. Then suddenly rains came and river was flowing. Lot of water is there in the river. All the 10 students, Sishyas, were swimming and swim all the way, and they went other side of the shore. They reached. And one student, let me count all of them have reached or not. Just like in our camps when we go, after getting down from the train, when you enter the bus, when you get down the bus, we take the attendance. Like that, this person, 10th man, one student started taking the attendance. Counting first student, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So he has counted all 9, the 10th man is not there. then he considers only 9 are there. Till he reached to that knowledge, there are only 9. Dashamasya navatva pratipattihi. 10th man dead and gone, drowned in the water and started crying. Atmanaha, there is a 10th man, he didn't count. What happened? Because of that, drishyeshu tadvat eva ayam moodhaha lokaha nacha anyatha. Because he was so much absorbed in that 9th man, so much absorbed in a 9th number, and he has forgotten to consider himself as a 10th man. Because of that, 10th man is covered because of tension, anxiety. 10th man is covered as it were. I am the one who is the 10th man, counting ani gnapakame illa. He is not having that. 9th one is called drashta, he has taken. Now come to Darshtanta in that second line. Tadvat, similarly. That vat is important. Just as he has taken here, pratipattivat means just as that 10th man knowledge as 9 people only are there, that knowledge. That there are only 9. Who got this knowledge, you know? The 10th man. The 10th man has got the knowledge of those students. There are only 9. The 9 students are there. That knowledge came in the mind of the 10th man. 9 students are only there. That knowledge came in the mind of 10th man, 10th student. Therefore, because we are 9, he started telling we are 9 only. Because of his absorption in the 9. Because of the 9th number, he has absorbed and he has forgotten to count himself. Tadvat, similarly, drishyeshu. Here drishyeshu means panchakosheshu. The 5 layers of the body, annamaya kosha, pranamaya kosha, manomaya kosha, vijnanamaya kosha, anandamaya kosha, in all koshas, drishyeshu, moodhaha, lokaha, moodaha. Here lokaha means a person. Lokaha, absorptions makes to lose sight of drashta. Lokaha, moodhaha, people in this world also, nacha anyatha. In the same manner, I am Atma, Sakshi, right knowledge, they have not gained. Na anyatha. Na anyatha means aham sakshi. That knowledge is not coming. I am ahankara. I am body-mind complex. I am husband of so and so, wife of so and so. Really what he has to say? I am Atma. I have given the sentiency to this mind. Then mind became ahankara. That ahankara mind playing with this body-mind complex role. And this role has relations with many other roles. இப்படியெல்லாம் ஞாபகம் இருக்க வேண்டாமோ? இல்லையே. இப்போ நான் டீச்சர் சொல்றது கதை மாதிரி இருக்கு. அண்ட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் லைஃப் வேர்ல்டு ரெகுலர் லைஃப் நிஜமா இருக்கு. எப்படி இருக்கு பாருங்க. பாவம் பூர் டீச்சர், ட்ராஜடி தான். இதை விட ட்ராஜடி என்ன வேணும்? When a student considers their family, their children, their role and their interaction with the world, real, pangalo madri, real. Papam, this teacher is sitting and saying, Sakshi Chaitanyam, you are self-luminous, self-evident consciousness. You are the Sakshi Chaitanya. Nanna irukku Swamini, kada. Idu kada illa, nijam. Idha nijam. அது கதை என்ன நம்பவே முடியல. however much teacher says, how many years? Years are decades. How many classes? ஒன்னா ரெண்டா? எத்தனை கிளாஸஸ், எத்தனை டெக்ஸ்ட் சொல்லி 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 அப்படியே கண்டம் வாய்ஸ் பிகமிங் சோ ஹார்ட் அண்ட் ஹார்ட். ஆனாலும் விடமாட்டேன். என்ன அகங்காரம் விடமாட்டேன். தாதாத்மியம். பையன் பையன் பையன், என்ன கிராண்ட் சனுக்கு பேத்தி பேத்தி பேத்தி, பேரன் பேரன் பேரன், ஒரே அபிமானம். 500 ரூபி நோட், ஒரே அபிமானம். 1000 rupees 1000 rupee note. How many people are having 500,000? இப்ப தெரியறதா? If they have hundreds, they would have not gone there. So much abhimanam in all these things. Tadvat lokaha moodhaha nacha anyatha. They never have this I am Atma, the consciousness, original consciousness. How much teacher is taking pain to communicate this knowledge. Shankaracharya taking a lot of pain to communicate. அவர் எதுக்காக சொல்லணும் சொல்லுங்க மனக்காக? Why he has to write Upadesa Sahasri? Such a brilliant topic he is bringing out of karuna, out of compassion. Then one compassionate person saw this 9th man is crying, not knowing he is the 10th man. There are only 9. Then another person comes and tells, my dear, you are thinking there are only 9 and you are the 10th man. Dashamaha tvamasi. You are the 10th man. You are counting ahankara, ahankara, ahankara. Problem irukku. Asal ahankara is because of aham, atma. Without atma, where is ahankara? Where is father role? Where is mother role? Where is house? Where is 500 rupee note? Where is 1000 rupee note? Who is important? Tell me. Swamini, 2000 rupee note is important, Anna. No. Atma is important. People na anyatha, they are not at all knowing the Sakshi Chaitanyam, which is the right knowledge, but they are having only wrong knowledge. More in the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.